Hello, what's your name?
Bobby.
Hi, I'm Evie. What do you do for a living?
I am a inventor.
What do you invent?
I just invented this robotic dog.
Whoa, that is cool. How much are you going to sell it for?
I'm not going to sell it. I didn't make enough to sell it.
Are you going to make another one to sell it?
No, I'm going to keep it. There's a lot of odd parts to get. And it's a lot of money.
Okay. So if someone were to get their hands on it, say, how much do you think it would cost?
A lot more than somebody would expect, because they think it's just a regular dog that has jetpacks on it.
Is jetpacks on it?
You're cool, but it's actually a robotic dog with wires, cables, etc. that are really hard to put together. And can swim underwater and can go climb trees like monkeys.
Can it talk?
No.
You know, if you ever make another one, you should put like a collar on it, and then it can talk. That'd be pretty cool. Well, I'm Evie, since you know, and I work at the store that is on my shirt. Under Armour. Although I call it the under of the armors. Yeah.
So are you like the person who owns the store?
No, I just help the kids out who are trying to find clothes, and I sell stuff. And on my breaks, I really just nap and eat because I have to wake up at 4:30 in the morning.
I work all day, including the night, and then the next day I sleep the whole day.
Lucky. Also, during my break time, I like to go to the park and examine the beautiful lake right there. Yeah, that's why I like it here. What are you doing here?
I was testing out my dog, because this is the only place that I could test it out. These are some green trees. See, it's a place to run around. And it's lit.
Nice. Well, I gotta eat my lunch and then
We gotta go.
Okay, so let me just get my lunch out. Oh, wait, I forgot. I packed a banana. Yeah, that was good. That was a pretty good banana. I'm gonna pack one more thing. Yeah. It was an orange. Yeah, I love oranges. I just eat them whole. I don't have to peel anything off. Okay, so let's check what time it is. Oh my god, my boss is expecting me in 3 minutes. By 3 minutes. Well, gotta go. Bye!